Thank you for watching this short video on how to create a new user. Within AccessCare, there are many different user types, but in this video, we will be touching on how to create an internal or office user. It is important to create office users first, so that each member of your team will be able to successfully log in and use your website. From this point forward, we will begin each training video already logged into AccessCare, and if you need help on how to log into your site, please reference the first video. Beginning on the dashboard, hover over the Admin tab. This is where you'll find all administrator settings, but for the purpose of this video, go ahead and click on Manage Users. Thank you for watching this video on how to create a new user within AccessCare. From this point forward, we will begin each training video already logged into AccessCare on the dashboard. If you need help on how to log into AccessCare, reference the first video. So, all administrator settings are going to be under this Admin tab right here. Today, we're going to be clicking on Manage Users to create a new user. It brings you to the new user page. You can see that you need to assign a login ID, type in their name, choose a user type, and choose a password for them. You can also see all the active users right here. So I'm going to go ahead and create myself a profile. I'll just be a user. You can see that there's 8 different options here for user type. You can click on this blue icon next to them to give a little bit more information about each user type. But in general, an executive director is going to have the most power, and a scheduler is going to have the least power. Choose something simple for the password, and click Save New User. This brings me to a page where I can edit information later if I need to, but since I just created this user, I want to press Return to All Users, and it brings me back to all users, all active users. If I want to show clients and caregivers, I can click here, and it'll show all active clients and caregivers. I can edit a client or caregiver's password by pressing Edit, typing in a new password, pressing Save User, and then pressing Return to All Users. It is very important to note here that you never want to create a client or a caregiver from this page. This page is only meant to edit client and caregiver's passwords and usernames. You can create a client here under the Client tab and a caregiver here under the Caregiver tab. We'll be covering those in another video. Also, it is important to note that the email initially entered when activating a client or caregiver must be the same email specified on file. If they enter an email not on file, it will not recognize them for who they are in your system.